Da ni yma yn Llais yn gweithio ar brosiect Llais, gweithgareddau ymgysylltu ar gyfer y brosiect. Fel rhan o Llais, da ni'n cynnig taith o gwmpas y lleoliad i'r plant a phobl ifanc mwyn iddyn nhw ymgysylltu hefo'r dirwedd yma. A da ni'n cynnig felly gweithgareddau i wneud hefo be maen nhw'n weld, be maen nhw'n glywed, be maen nhw'n deimlo a be maen nhw'n arogli. Felly mae plant yn mapio y lleoliad trwy ddefnyddio synhwyrau gwahanol ac mae rhain weithgareddau hwyliog, rhad ac yn ddim i blant a theuluoedd ar yr ynys.
I think the mapping exercise, looking at the stories of Anglesey has been really interesting. I've really enjoyed seeing the children's reactions and their input, the sights and smells and sounds that they are getting from the place.
Did some senses.
Yeah, there was lots of different stations, wasn't there? So we did the smelling.
Feeling.
Feeling, yeah, as well.
And we made a sound cone.
We did make a sound cone, that was the listening one, yeah. And we got a stamp at each, didn't we? And at the end we got a certificate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good, yeah.
My favourite part was the feeling because it made me feel calm.
Oh, that's nice.
Parents have enjoyed the fact that the children have been engaged in an activity for the afternoon. I think the benefits of the project, just putting these places on Anglesey on the map and in people's minds as being special and being something to be proud of and to feel greater sense of attachment and belonging.
It's not often you get a chance to actually take in what's around you and just actually look properly and like sort of be prompted to actually kind of do different things that you wouldn't normally do. So it's a good chance to kind of just take stock and yeah, just see what's actually around you and all the different things that you probably just don't notice they're there all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mae gweithgareddau da ni wedi gynnig yn y 3 lleoliad blaenorol wedi bod yn gwych. Da ni bod yng Nghaergybi, ar Fynydd Paris, a rwan yn Llais, tirweddau hollol wahanol i'w gilydd. A da ni'n edrych yn fawr iawn ar gyfer y gweithgareddau ola sydd ganddo ni fel rhan o Llais ar draeth Llanddwyn. Fis nesaf, da ni'n edrych mlaen i wahodd fwy o blant, pobl ifanc eu teuluoedd i gymryd rhan yn y gweithgareddau cyffrous yma ar yr ynys.